To explain clinical procedures 3.1 using critical thinking skills during an interview. If I was interviewing a 60-year-old patient and he just wants to see the doctor, but I would have to tell him that I'd have to get a couple questions beforehand just to make the visit a lot quicker and easier. So a couple questions I'd ask him would be, what are you coming into the office today for? How long has this been going on? And what kind of symptoms he's been having. If the patient then refuses to answer and gets violent, I would then politely excuse myself and get another medical assistant to help. Now I'm going to explain clinical procedures 3.7.2, measuring and recording pulse and respiration. So first, I would then start washing my hands. So then I would have my lovely patient, and I'd take her left arm, and I would hold right below her thumb to get her pulse, and I would look at my watch. And I would do this for 30 seconds. Then I would record my information down on the paper. But I would times that by 2 because that would be a whole minute. So that would be. And now I'm going to record her respirations, but I would not tell her I'm doing that because then they'll change her breathing. So then after that, I would record that down. So after doing that, I got 87 for the pulse and 16 for the respiration. Now I will be doing the clinical procedures 3.7.3, taking the blood pressure of adults and older children. And for this, I will need to have a blood pressure cuff, a stethoscope, and a watch. So first off, taking this, I would wash my hands like I've already done. And then I would have my rusty little
sidekick
patient and I would ask her to nicely roll up her sleeve or take her shirt off and get in a gown if she had a long, tight sleeve on. You wouldn't want them to have that on. Then I would just put this on her. Now there's lines to tell you where to stick it at on the dogs. So you would put it on her arm. Right. Now you don't want it on there too tight, but you don't want it on there too loose. And then for this, I would have her relax her arm. And I'd put this on. And after that, I would record the information down, and I got 120 over 70 for her blood pressure.